Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a simple biography of Donald Trump, the businessman, TV personality, and former U.S. president. If you're learning English, this is a fun and easy way to improve your skills while learning something interesting. So grab a drink, relax, and let's get started. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in New York City. He grew up in Queens, one of the 5 parts of the city. His father, Fred Trump, was a builder. He built homes and apartments. Young Donald watched his father work and learned about buildings. As a child, Donald was full of energy. He liked to win. At school, he sometimes got into trouble. His parents sent him to a military school when he was 13. There, he learned discipline. He also learned how to be a leader. Donald liked sports, but he liked business more. He read books about success and money. He wanted to be rich. He said, "Think big. If you're going to think big." Building in Manhattan. In the 1970s, Donald started working in Manhattan. He saw old buildings and empty spaces. He had big dreams. He wanted to build hotels and towers in the center of the city. One of his first big projects was the Grand Hyatt Hotel. He worked with the city and banks. He fixed an old hotel and made it beautiful. It became a success. After that, he built Trump Tower. It was tall, shiny, and full of gold. It had shops, apartments, and a big waterfall inside. Many rich and famous people visited. Trump put his name on the building. He liked seeing Trump in big letters. Fame and business. In the 1980s and 90s, Donald Trump became a star. He was not just a businessman, he was on TV, in magazines, and in the news. People knew his face and name. He owned casinos in Atlantic City. He owned hotels, golf courses, and more buildings. He wrote books. One of them was The Art of the Deal. It became very popular. In it, he shared his ideas about success. Trump loved the spotlight. He said, "If you're a star, people want to see you. They trust you." But not everything went well. Some of his casinos lost money. He had big debts. Many people said he failed. But Trump said, "I never give up." The Apprentice. In 2004, Donald Trump started a TV show called The Apprentice. It was about business and competition. Each week, people worked on tasks. Trump watched them. At the end, he said his famous words, "You're fired." The show was a hit. Millions of people watched it. Trump became more famous than ever. He showed power, confidence, and style. Young people saw him as a symbol of success. Many wanted to work like him. He used this fame to grow his brand. He put the Trump name on ties, perfume, water, and even steaks. He said, "Everything is about branding." A new goal, the White House. In 2015, Donald Trump did something new. He said, "I will run for President of the United States." Many people were surprised. Some laughed. They thought he was only a businessman, not a leader. But Trump was serious. He said, "America needs change. We must make America great again." That became his famous slogan. He spoke directly to the people. He didn't speak like other politicians. He used simple words. He talked about jobs, borders, and security. Many Americans listened. Some liked his strong words, others didn't. But one thing was clear. Donald Trump was not afraid to speak. The 2016 election. In 2016, Donald Trump ran for president against Hillary Clinton. She had many years of experience in politics. Trump did not. He had never worked in the government. But many people liked that. They wanted someone different. Trump said, "I'm not a politician. I'm a businessman. I know how to make deals." He traveled across the country. He held big events called rallies. Thousands of people came to see him speak. He promised to build a wall on the U.S.-Mexico border. He said he would bring jobs back to the U.S. Many voters believed in his words. On November 8, 2016, Trump won. He became the 45th President of the United States. President Trump, first year. When Trump became president, he started working fast. He signed orders to change laws. He wanted to stop people from some countries from entering the U.S. That made many people angry. Others agreed with him. He also worked on taxes. He said, "We must help businesses. When they grow, they give jobs." Trump used Twitter to talk to the people. He posted messages every day. No president had done that before. Some people liked it. Others thought it was too much. He met leaders from other countries. He spoke strongly. He wanted better deals for the U.S. He said, "America first." Controversies and challenges. Trump's time as president had many problems. News stories came out almost every day. Some people said he worked with Russia. Others said he lied. There were many investigations, but Trump said, "It's fake news. They want to stop me." In 2019, he was impeached by the House of Representatives. That means they said he did something very wrong, but the Senate did not remove him, so he stayed president. During this time, the U.S. economy grew. Many people had jobs. The stock market was strong. Trump said, "This is the best economy ever." COVID-19 and the 2020 election. In 2020, a new virus spread around the world. It was called COVID-19. It made millions of people sick. The world changed. People stayed home. Schools and shops closed. Trump had to lead the country in a time of fear. Some people said he did not act fast. Others said he did his best. He said, "We are fighting an invisible enemy." That same year, Trump ran for president again. His opponent was Joe Biden. The country was divided. Some people loved Trump. Others wanted change. After the vote, Biden won. Trump said, "The election was stolen," but courts found no proof. After the presidency. In January 2021, Donald Trump left the White House. Many thought his story was over, but he had other plans. He opened offices. He gave speeches. He still had millions of followers. Some people saw him as a hero. Others blamed him for a big protest at the Capitol on January 6, 2021. Still, Trump said, "We will come back, bigger than ever." In 2024, he ran for president again. His message was the same: make America great again. Whether people love him or hate him, one thing is true: Donald Trump changed American politics.